Here with another update from Hurricane Irma. I've got some bad news to report. Last night, all indications show that our fans aren't working. So what I'd like for everyone to do is turn your fans another direction. University of Long Pond research staff last night come up with the idea that we need to create a cyclonic atmosphere. So everybody turn their fans in all different directions, and maybe we can keep this thing off of us a little bit and prevent some of the bad winds. I think it's coming, but maybe that will help. One other thing, a little tip for the preparedness: duct tape. Never underestimate duct tape. If you watch the episode of Lost, you know you can put this on an airplane and it will fly. Another thing, Flex Seal. These girls from the Vintage Irish and Two Sisters Cottage are preparing their business here with Flex Seal. This stuff is amazing. They're probably going to paint at least part of the house. Duct tape, all you got to do, put an X on the windows. So these two items are still on the shelves. So go out and get you some, and good luck. Praying for it. We're praying for everybody. I hope everybody comes through this thing unscathed. Thanks.
If you like this video from LPU, make sure to subscribe and like our Facebook page for the latest updates. Maybe stick around and watch a few more videos. Stay safe out there.